Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Afro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remember your Discord password. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Afro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on Google. Now select your account. Press on Manage your Google account. Go to Security. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of Password Manager. Press on this. Now here you can see the option of discord.com. If you want to remember your Discord password, you just have to click on this. Select a pattern. So from here you can able to remember your Discord login details. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.